Where's it?
Huh? What?
I got
All
nothing
right.
on this thing. Go ahead, Scott.
Did they bring back with them?
All the way back hard.
Oh, that's right.
Hey, Dennis, empty this thing out.
Huh?
Now. Huh?
Melissa.
Only had one bullet. I'm going to sit down with it. It doesn't have the rubber bushings in it. I might sit down and slide that one in.
They get 308 then.
Would she bring her a pillow?
These military rounds are bullet swallowers.
I don't jam.
Is that one that
You know how to get it, make it go. It's already got a. Hit that button right there and it'll load.
You gotta wait. You done? Yep. But this target here, this